My name is Jordan Bush, and I am a senior EC through 6 education student at Tarleton State University. My parents and 3 sisters have always been a huge and important part of my life, as well as my most enthusiastic and persistent cheering section. No matter how hard things get or how many mistakes I make, they are always there to back me up and push me onward towards my goals. A balanced literacy program strives to balance the many different components of literacy learning into one comprehensive and competent whole that will do the most to help students reach success in their literacy journey. While there are many components to a successful balanced literacy program, there are 4 that I feel are particularly important. First, a good literacy program should seek a balance between both whole language and phonics-based instruction. These instructional models are the best used when they can be combined to create a more united and balanced whole. The second component I feel is important for a balanced literacy program is to focus on integrating reading and writing with the other contents and events that go on in our students' lives. The third component, which is important to a balanced literacy program, is that they include the proper amount of teacher modeling, student work with support, and independent student work. Lastly, a balanced literacy program needs to be student-centered. Every student learns differently, and it is the teacher's job to individualize each student's instruction so they can identify their strengths and work to improve their weaker areas. In any classroom, it is essential to understand and implement differentiation. Every student is different, and each have their own unique way of learning, so educators need to individualize each student learning experience in order to ensure student success. My mentor teacher allowed students to read silently or out loud to others depending on their needs. The students were also allowed to listen to audiobooks on their Chromebooks or iPads. Another form of individualized instruction she used was to spend time conferencing with individual students or small groups. Finally, she allowed students to sit comfortably, providing them with a multitude of different seating options around the classroom. Literacy strategies are an important part of helping students develop literacy skills, and there are a multitude of them out there to choose from. One strategy is the use of BDAs. These strategies help students to develop prediction, comprehension, and summarization skills. Leveled books can be used to meet students where they are at and to help them practice and work towards their future literacy goals. Another common strategy is word walls. These can be placed anywhere in the classroom and can benefit every student in the class in their literacy growth. Finally, read-alouds are a simple but important strategy for developing literacy. Students need to see good literacy habits modeled, as well as see adults in their lives excited about reading. I believe that successful teaching promotes knowledge and understanding in social, emotional, and academic lessons by building solid foundations in these areas. I feel that this is true no matter whether you're teaching, reading, writing, mathematics, sciences, art, or social studies. Finally, I am a verbal and linguistic learner. I like to be able to talk things out to understand them, and I remember facts better if I am able to write them down.